cut about 1 inch.
When you don't know how to do this.
I don't.
With the wrapper on it, using a cigar clipper. If you don't have a cigar clipper, you can use a knife instead. Then, rotate the cigar and use a torch lighter. Once you burn the tip a little,
Okay.
the cigar. Then, pull out the other end of the cigar while you take light. Gentle pulse.
We're about to get so much hate online. What you think?
Tastes like chocolate.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Got something to say?
That's it.
That's it. So in today's video, we're gonna see what we can do to this truck now. We already got the whole bottom of the truck powder coated. I wish. We got the whole bottom part of the truck undercoated. We have to do one more coat in some parts and just little touch-up things. We're gonna remove all the plastic. We're gonna be taking some stuff out, so stay tuned for that. But right now, we smoked. That was weak. But right now we smoke.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Snoop Dogg. It's be like a homemade music video.
Welcome back to the BS. Nah, I'm just playing. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, as you can see, we just smoked some nice Cuban cigars. Long story short, a short friend of mine gave me that as a gift and I couldn't pass that opportunity. So me and my boy Andreas smoked the crap out of them things and we got a fat buzz. Let me tell you, Cuban cigars are something else, bro. Now that we're done painting this thing, the frame of this thing, we can actually take all this plastic out. So let's go ahead and do that now. You can see how crispy we're looking over here. Not too bad for my first time, huh? Looks a lot better than most people's trucks I've seen. That's all I'm gonna say, no comment. Look at that. Majestic piece. Let me find out where the stuff that I need in this mess, because yeah, we still gotta put a lot of this thing back together. And yeah, all kinds of stuff. Let me find the stuff that I need and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so basically in this video what we're gonna need, it's a heat gun and an eraser wheel. That's it. So we're gonna go on low. There we go. We're gonna wanna have it close but not too close. You know, we ain't trying to like ruin this paint. Look, you can already feel that thing coming off. Look at that. That easy. Boom. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Man, it is dirty under there. Oh my God. This is why it's not a good thing to have these things. See how much dirt it consumes, dude? That right there is More than 10 years of dirt. No bueno. Alright, now we're gonna go to the other side. Alright. Okay, so basically that's the final product. All we gotta do right now is try to fix how we can get out these lines right here. All of these lines right here from where the molding used to be on and all that stuff. So we gotta figure out how we can get rid of that. I'm gonna try getting like some professional detailing, not professional detailing, some quick detailing thing, because yeah, I'm not a fan of that at all. So I'm gonna figure out, and I guess I'll keep you updated on that stuff. We go over to this side. Still gotta work on just a little bit more over here and over here, but I'll get it done with no time. Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So I'll keep you updated on something that we're gonna get. There's a reason why we don't have assembled this part of the truck yet. We might be ordering. We might be ordering something soon. Something that goes in here. Well, y'all will have to stay tuned for that. So I'll see y'all in the next one.